Hello traders, welcome to Wealth Creations Market Analysis. Now today we'll be analyzing some stocks and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's market, that is 22nd of September. Okay, with no more wasting time, let's start it. First of all, at Bank Nifty, the chart is very clear, keep it very simple. Okay, this is nothing but just the 400-day EMA, the violet color line which you are seeing here. As we can see, the Bank Nifty was moving in a symmetrical triangle. It has broke the triangle. It showed the rally. Again, it came back to that same trend line, and again it bounced back from that. What does it mean? It has given a breakout of this candle. According to me, again it has took a support on this trend line and it is bouncing back. That is called retesting this trend line. Now, how I will be trading tomorrow the Bank Nifty? What's my plan that I will be sharing you? Okay, I'll be waiting for this trend line. Let me show you at 5 minutes. Sorry, 5. I will be waiting for this trend line, this black trend line to close. Okay, I'll be waiting for Bank Nifty to close above this black trend line, and then I'll be trading for the target of all-time high, that is 38,100. Okay, and that's my plan for Bank Nifty tomorrow. I have just a sec. Yeah, the next one is Infosys. Infosys we are seeing at 1 hour time frame, which will be definitely called as swing trade. Okay, now it has given a breakout of this triangle, okay, or this trend line. Now I will be trading, at this candle's high, this red color candle's high, for a target of this. Okay, I'll be showing you some points. We have to set a target of triangle high. Okay, this triangle high is here, so we'll be taking a target of setting a target of 755, which will be achievable by intraday and or max to max 2 to 3 days. Okay, we'll be moving like that, and our stop loss will be this red candle's low. Okay, many will be thinking that why this chart is so simple, why there are not more indicators? Because keep trading very simple. Okay, we can also, okay, indicators and all are helpful, but we can trade. Okay, we can make money on a simple chart analysis too. Okay, therefore we'll be trading on this candle's high, and same candle's low will be our stop loss for a target of 755 in Infosys. Okay, this is a swing trade. The next one is ICICI Bank. This is an intraday trade. Already it has given a breakout of this trend line, so tomorrow there will be possibilities like it will be opening gap up, gap down, or a sideways. Okay, so if it is opening gap down, then wait for a price action and hold for the second target, not first target. Okay, hold for the second target. If it is opening sideways, for sure wait for a price action and buy on this candle side. Okay, which is 714.50. and if it is opening gap down, then also wait for a price action and buy above this candle's high only. Okay, for a target of 724 and 733 with the SL of low of this candle, which is 710. Yeah, 710. The next stock is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is looking very good. Okay, it's moving in a symmetrical triangle. So you can see here we are already drawn a symmetrical triangle. Once it gives breakout, we'll be not trading downside. Okay, in Kotak Bank. Once it is giving a breakout above this trend line, then we'll be trading on that breakout candle side. Okay, for a target of 2036. Okay, so now what is this 2040 line? I'll be showing you just a second. It's on 1 day chart pattern. Okay, 1 day chart pattern. It will be giving a big breakout now. According to me, Kotak Bank will be giving a big breakout now. So let me show you a path of Kotak Bank. There will be 3 chances of Kotak Bank at 1 day. I'm talking about long term, or else I'm talking about swing trade. Okay, The very first will be, it will be going directly up, taking some bounce back, and it will be moving ahead. Okay. Now the second one will be, it will be bouncing back from here, then it will be giving a breakout. Okay, this is the second point. Now third one will be, it will be breaking this level, it will be retesting, then it will be giving a rally, it will be showing a rally. Okay, this is the next point. These three possibilities are there, so we'll be trading on swing trade according to these three possibilities. Okay, in Kotak Bank, and intraday I have showed you already. The next one is Siemens. Okay, Siemens also looking very good. Why have I given this many stock? Because you should not miss any opportunity. Okay, we'll be planning to trade all these stocks tomorrow. Okay, which one will be giving our levels, we'll be trading on that. Same here, it is showing great swing trade. Okay, because it is on 1 hour time frame, so we'll be waiting for this trend line to break. Okay, we'll be waiting for this trend line to break, as well as we are having a support of 400-day EMA. Okay, we'll be waiting for this trend line to break, as well as we are having a 400-day EMA support. So we'll be setting a target of 2255, and next target will be the triangle side, trend line side, which will be 2315. Okay, this two target will be setting for swing trade in Siemens. The next one is Escort. Escort, it will take time. I think tomorrow it will not give breakout, or else if it is giving breakout, this same stock, this also moving in symmetrical triangle, will be trading on breakout candle side. That candle's low will be stop loss, and target will be 1500. How? That will be a triangle's high. The next one, Cipla. Cipla, it is moving in a triangle or on trend line, we can call it as, and that too on a time frame of 1 day. Okay, on 1 day. So what does it mean? Swing trade. Obviously it's a swing trade. We'll be waiting for a breakout. Okay, my pattern is something like this. It will give, if it is giving breakout, a retest, then it will be bouncing. Okay, now here target we can't keep so small, so we'll be holding according to our holding theory or a trailing SL. The next one, last one only, DLF, same, moving in a symmetrical triangle. Why we are showing again and again symmetrical triangle? Because it works. Okay, we have, and our students have made lot of money using symmetrical triangle. Got it? So we'll be using symmetrical triangle for some stocks, different flag and pole, there are many, we'll be not discussing about that, but here it's a symmetrical triangle. Same will be trading on the breakout of this candle. On the candle side, low will be stop loss, target will be setting, yeah, we can set 359, or that is 360, or will be trailing according to our theory. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope we'll be getting our levels tomorrow and we'll be trading on that. That's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. I hope you have subscribed our channel. Please share. Wishing you all a very happy and a profitable trading career. Thank you, guys.